I found about the class, Midwest DJs Live, and was talking to a couple of guys there, and they said, you have to do this course. Then I asked them, can you give me more information about it? And they simply said, you have to do this course. So they didn't say anything. They wanted me to be fresh. They wanted me to have this experience, and this is one of the best courses I've ever taken. I tell them definitely take the course. As you start taking these classes, you're going to start realizing that in this class alone, over half the class I've known from other classes throughout the country. And I thought that was really cool that same people are taking and want to further education. Those are the professionals you want to network with. So when it comes time to selling for brides, you're not only just selling yourself, but you actually have a network of help and of professionals you can rely on. If you're on the fence about this class, definitely experience it, because what you're teaching and what you're offering is different. And in a world full of DJs, different is the best.